Hello everyone. This video is regarding Nagasaki Day. So Nagasaki Day falls on August 9 to remember that 80,000 people who died during World War II in 1945 this day. So in the history of mankind, there are two nuclear attacks whose devastation was at such a high scale that their consequences last till date. So on August 6, we remember that and we can recall the atomic bombing attack on Hiroshima in Japan by the United States. And just 2 days later, on August 9th, that is this day in 1945, an atomic bomb was dropped in Nagasaki as well. So both the cities are in Japan and suffered huge devastation due to these nuclear attacks. And know you why August 9th is observed as Nagasaki Day every year. So this event occurred during World War II in the year 1945. Just 6 days after Nagasaki bombing, the then Japanese Emperor Gyokun Hozo then broadcasted a speech to the whole nation telling about their surrender. So the devastation in the Japan cities led the countries to surrender in the World War II, and Nagasaki Day is observed to commemorate the day where the Fat Man, this atomic bomb is called a Fat Man, was dropped on the city Japanese of Nagasaki and killed 80,000 people during the Second World War. So it is believed that the reason for dropping the nuclear bombs on the cities was only military. It was expected that dropping the bomb would lead to ending of the war quickly. Thus the US would have minimum casualties on their side, but the bombing was the response to attack of Americans at Pearl Harbor also. So the outburst of the bomb wiped out 90% of Hiroshima city as well as Nagasaki. So the atomic bomb was dropped on Japanese cities were actually uranium bomb at Hiroshima, and were slightly larger plutonium bomb, it is called Fat Man bomb, was dropped on Nagasaki that took the lives over 80,000 people in 1945. So this impact of nuclear attack was severe that most of the doctors or nurses in Nagasaki were either killed or injured, and maximum hospitals were rendered non-functional during that time. So people suffered from many injuries including severe burns, where most victims die without receiving any medical care. That effect of this nuclear attack lingered so long that people who have entered the city after bombing also have died due to this radiation effect. So even after 5 to 6 years after bombing, the survivors of bombing started experiencing leukemia at much higher rate. Leukemia is nothing but the blood cancer. So after a decade passed from the bombing, survivors started experiencing other ailments like thyroid, breast, lung and other cancers at much higher frequencies. So at present times, the exposure of people to the cancer is still at an alarming rate in these locations. So it was reported back then that pregnant women suffered miscarriages and death of their infants after those bombing incidents, and children who were experienced and exposed to radiation in their mother's womb were seen to born experiencing impaired growth and intellectual disability. So due to this bombing explosion and radiation exposure, several thousands of people were killed and injured, and they lost their lives, and that made the people affect still till date. So remembers, prayers and condolences to the lives affected due to the dropping of atomic second bomb at Nagasaki. So it is observed as Nagasaki Day, and the bomb was not only dropped on the citizens of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, it was dropped on the whole humanity. this the US, the United States war plan, have dropped the Fat Man on this day, that is on August 9, 1945, is known for its the day where the shipbuilding centers of Japan was uh, one of the key place where the bomb unleashed the equivalent force of 22,000 tons of trinitrotoluene. So today, the Nagasaki Day is observed across the world to promote peace and create awareness about the threat of nuclear weapons. So this day is observed to promote world peace. Thank you.